Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to play as Annie on your League of Legends. So at first, all you have to do is open your game to the right client. And as you open your game, you're in this home screen as I am. So just stay at this home screen and look at the right top corner for the store option and just click it to view the store page at first. And as you view the store page, just look at your left and select these champions at first. And as you select it, either you can just scroll down to look for Annie or look at your left and go on the search box and type Annie. And as you tap it, you can see the Annie champion on your screen. And to play as her, all you have to do is unlock her by buying the character. So to buy it, you need RP points or the blue essence. So guys, that's how you play as Annie on your League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.